Are you tired of endless, messy meetings that lead absolutely nowhere? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into Mural, an AI-powered visual workspace designed to help teams sync up, speed up, and stand out. If you've been looking for a way to turn chaotic brainstorming sessions into clear, actionable plans, Mural claims to be the ultimate solution. At its core, Mural is a shared infinite canvas where your team can collaborate in real time. But what makes it different is its integration of AI. From project kickoffs to retrospectives, Mural's AI is designed to supercharge your workflows, helping you map out ideas, gain faster insights, and make decisions without the usual friction. They offer tailored solutions for different departments, whether you're in R&D trying to innovate faster, in marketing building campaigns, or in sales trying to map out funnels and close deals. In fact, Mural claims some massive productivity boosts, including a 50% increase in sales onboarding efficiency and up to 800 hours of meeting time saved per year. Now, let's talk about the features. You get access to expert design templates and frameworks paired with AI guidance to keep your momentum going. It also integrates with your existing tools, making it easier to connect your high-level strategy directly to daily execution. But is it actually the best tool for you? To keep this review completely honest, we have to mention that our external user review data is currently limited. While Mural is trusted by major global brands and showcases highly impressive case studies, we highly recommend testing it out yourself to see how the AI features handle your specific team's workflow. Fortunately, you don't have to take a financial risk to try it. Mural offers a sign-up free option right on their website, allowing you to explore the infinite canvas and test the AI-powered workflows firsthand. If you want to streamline your meetings and get your team on the same page, head over to mural.co and try it out for free. What do you think? Can AI actually save your team 800 hours of meetings a year? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. See ya in the next video.